Let's jump right into how you can create nutrient-rich compost in just 10 days using the Berkeley hot composting method. This technique transforms kitchen scraps and yard waste into garden gold through precise temperature management, proper materials, and regular turning. Here's exactly what you need to do to make it happen. At the heart of 10-day composting is the Berkeley method, developed by the University of California. This approach harnesses thermophilic or heat-loving bacteria that thrive between 135 and 160 degrees Fahrenheit. These microscopic workhorses break down organic matter with astonishing speed when given optimal conditions. The intense heat also kills weed seeds and pathogens, giving you not just fast compost, but clean compost. Success begins with the right ingredients in the right proportions. You'll need a proper carbon-to-nitrogen ratio, ideally around 25 to 30 to 1. Carbon-rich browns include dead leaves, straw, paper, and cardboard. Nitrogen-rich greens include fresh grass clippings, kitchen scraps, coffee grounds, and fresh plant trimmings. For 10-day composting, chop everything into small pieces, ideally 1 to 2 inches or smaller. The increased surface area gives microbes more access points to break down materials. A food processor for kitchen scraps and a lawnmower for yard waste make quick work of this crucial preparation step. Building your speed pile. For this method to work, size matters. Build a pile at least 3 feet cubed, which is 27 cubic feet, and no larger than 5 feet cubed. Smaller piles won't retain enough heat, while larger ones may not get enough oxygen in the center. Start with a 4-inch layer of coarse browns like small twigs or chopped stalks for drainage and aeration. Then begin alternating layers of greens and browns, keeping them relatively thin, 2 to 4 inches, and sprinkling a small amount of finished compost or garden soil between layers to introduce beneficial microorganisms. Moisten each layer as you go. Aim for the dampness of a wrung-out sponge. Temperature management, the key to speed. Monitor your pile's temperature daily using a compost thermometer inserted into the center. The pile should heat up within 24 to 48 hours, reaching 135 to 150 degrees Fahrenheit. This heat range is your sweet spot. Below 135 degrees means decomposition is slowing, while sustained temperatures above 160 degrees can kill beneficial microorganisms. If temperatures climb too high, turn the pile to release heat. If they drop too low, add more nitrogen-rich materials and ensure proper moisture. The turning technique. Unlike traditional methods where turning happens weekly or monthly, speed composting requires turning every 1 to 2 days. Each turn introduces fresh oxygen that recharges microbial activity and ensures even decomposition. Use a pitchfork or compost aerator and completely restructure the pile, bringing outside materials to the center and center materials to the outside. The effort is substantial, but remember, this intensive week of management replaces months of waiting. Moisture maintenance. Proper hydration keeps microbes active without drowning them. After each turning, check moisture levels by squeezing a handful of material. If water drips out, it's too wet. Add dry browns and mix well. If it feels dry and falls apart easily, spray with water while turning. During hot weather, you may need to add water daily, while in cooler, humid conditions, your pile might retain moisture perfectly between turnings. Troubleshooting common issues. If your pile isn't heating up properly within 48 hours, you likely have either insufficient nitrogen, add more greens, inadequate moisture, add water or too small a pile, add more materials overall. A foul odor indicates anaerobic conditions. Your pile is too wet or compacted. Turn it immediately and add dry, fluffy browns to restore airflow. If you notice large sections of uncomposted materials after 10 days, they were likely too large initially. Remove them, chop them smaller, and incorporate them into your next batch. Harvesting your 10-day compost. By days 8 to 10, your pile's temperature will naturally begin falling as decomposition completes. The finished product will be dark, crumbly, and earthy smelling, with few recognizable original materials. This young compost is perfect for garden beds, though it can benefit from a brief 1 to 2 day curing period before applying directly to sensitive seedlings. Fast composting does demand more active management, but the reward is continuous compost production year-round. With this system, you can produce approximately 12 to 36 batches annually, compared to just 1 to 4 batches with traditional methods, a game changer for serious gardeners. If you found this speed composting guide helpful for your garden, please hit that subscribe button and share this video with your gardening community. Drop us a comment about your composting experiences or questions about tweaking this method for your specific climate. Until next time, this is Botanical Bliss, helping you grow better naturally.